Struggling with dark spots, dull skin, or uneven tone? You do not need expensive creams, just 2 simple ingredients from your kitchen. Let us make the Aloe and Lemon Skin Brightening Mask. All you need is 2 tablespoons of pure aloe vera gel and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Mix until smooth. This blend is packed with vitamin C and skin-healing enzymes. Gently massage the mask onto clean skin. Focus on dark spots, acne marks, or dull patches. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Perfect for evening use, this mask soothes, hydrates, and brightens while you relax. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. You will notice a refreshed, clearer glow right after. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Note: do a patch test first. Lemon can be strong on sensitive skin. Glow naturally the simple way. Like, subscribe, and share this DIY beauty fix with someone who needs it.